Hello students, how are you? I wish you all are healthy and safe at home. I hope all of you have completed your previous work sent to you. Today, let's learn a new sound of A. Open your English book at page number 13. This is the sound of AI, says AE. In each of these words, you have to pronounce AI as AE. Let's start. Fail, fail. Main. Vain. Pain. Bail. Jail. Nail. Mail. Pail. Sail. Now here comes a different word. Here QU is pronounced as quail. Quail. Repeat again. Quail. Quail. Tail. Rain. Again, CH says chain. Repeat again. Chain. Rain. Train. I hope you understand it and read again and again at your home. Thank you everyone.